St. Anne's Arts and Science College at Madhavaram works towards translating the vision of our founders, servant of God, Mother Thatipathri Nyanamma, and strives to sustain quality, excellence and relevance while equipping the students to meet the demands of higher education in India. The college is run by the Society of Sisters of St. Anne, Madras. St. Anne's Arts and Science College, Madhavaram, is highly fortunate to have Reverend Mother Dr. Lima Rosario, an eminent personality, as its chairperson to lead the college to greater heights with her vision and foresight, meticulous planning and execution, guidance and motivation. Reverend Mother Dr. Lima Rosario, the chairperson of St. Anne's Arts and Science College, Madhavaram, has been honored with several prestigious awards for outstanding contributions and accomplishments in the field of education. The chairperson has been conferred upon with honorary doctorate by Jiva Theological Open University in recognition of her outstanding contributions to the church and the society, especially in the field of education. Special words of acknowledgement and admiration is due to Reverend Mother Dr. Lima Rosario, the chairperson, for driving this institution to be an ideal one. The chairperson conducts various staff induction programs to upgrade the knowledge of the staff with innovative teaching methodologies and student orientation programs to motivate students for acquiring knowledge along with skills and values. The vision of St. Anne's Arts and Science College is to provide humanizing and liberalizing education so as to form responsible citizens who, in solidarity with others, will create a just society. The mission of St. Anne's Arts and Science College is to empower youth with knowledge, skills and competence, provide opportunities to understand the present society and play their role in its growth, to form their character and personality, to mold them into socially responsible youth, to enable them create a more human and harmonious society, to produce world-class citizens with difference, to create integrated and visionary leaders. The vision and mission of St. Anne's Arts and Science College is well translated into action by Reverend Mother Dr. Lima Rosario, the chairperson of St. Anne's Arts and Science College. The college, which came into existence in the academic year 2014-2015 with 5 undergraduate courses and with a total strength of 85 students, is now offering 8 undergraduate courses with 3 sections of BCom General and 3 postgraduate courses with a total strength of 2,000 students. The courses offered at St. Anne's Arts and Science College are BA English, BSc Mathematics, BSc Computer Science, BCA, BCom General 3 sections, BCom Corporate Secretaryship, BCom Accounting and Finance, BBA, and the PG courses MA English, MSc Computer Science and MCom General. The college offers a well-established and excellently maintained infrastructure that is conducive for learning. These facilities make St. Anne's Arts and Science College the best college in the University of Madras. The college takes special care in forming a number of novel clubs to enrich co-curricular and extracurricular activities. The college offers various certificate courses and diploma programs. These programs are job-oriented and skill-based. It helps the students to get better employability. We are proud to say that our college is crowned with 170 university ranks from the 3 batches that have been graduated so far. The placement cell of the college is very active and conducts various training programs and makes the students industry ready. Every year, the students are placed in multinational companies. Our primary focus is on students who are underprivileged in the society. We create opportunities for them and empower them through higher education. The students who leave the portals of St. Anne's Arts and Science College, Madhavaram, after completion of their degree program, will be informed with appropriate knowledge, reform their character, transformed into competent, committed, and compassionate, and formed as a socially responsible woman who can build a just society. We thank God Almighty for blessing our institution with a spectacular growth. Now, our HODs will explain about the departments and the eligibility conditions to join the courses.
Warm greetings to you all. We are happy that you are all going to become a member of St. Anne's family. I am Vasumati, Head, Department of English. Now let me explain you about BA English course and what are the ample of employment opportunities you have when you complete this course. I'll also explain how extra care is taken towards the slow learners and how the students here are encouraged to participate in collegiate and intercollegiate events by bringing out their hidden talents. Let's see to the PowerPoint presentation to have an overview of this course. As I said, this PPT is about English department and its course details. English department was established in our college in the year 2014. Bachelor of Arts in English, or in simple words, it is BA in English. It is a 3-year degree course that provides theoretical and practical knowledge to a student in the field of literature. It helps them to develop their communication skills and literature insights so that they can become teacher, writer, publisher, journalist, etc. The duration of this course is 3 years. Each year you have 2 semesters, so totally 6 semesters. Students, whoever has completed plus 2 in any stream can apply for BA English. This is the overlook of all the subjects in BA English semester wise. All semester you will be reading 5 subjects apart from NME, soft skills, EVS and value education. We have computer lab and English lab in our college. Computer lab is for computing skill classes. English language lab will help you to improve your communication skills and for the phonetics. We are very much here in bringing out the hidden talents of our students. We will encourage them to participate in the intercollegiate and collegiate events too. We have Freshers' Day and all the first year students are encouraged to participate in various events which will showcase their talents. We are proud to inform you that we have number of university ranks in our department. And to cherish always is we have Mabel Veronica who has secured university 3rd rank in major and Lily Mary who has secured university 10th rank in English. We have ample of employment opportunities after completing BA English course. Some of the esteemed job profiles are teacher, content writer, journalist, HR executive, public servant, copywriter, features writer and script writer. We are glad to inform you about the Lima placement of our college and how it strenuously worked to place students in various sectors. These cheerful faces are students who appointed in bank zone. For further queries, you can contact our college website. You can also apply in online through the website which is displayed here. Thank you.
Hi everyone. A warm greetings to you all. I am Shenbaga Priya, Assistant Professor, Head, Department of Mathematics. Now we are going to see the orientation of the Department of Mathematics. Mathematics department was established in our college in the year 2014. BSc Mathematics course is often referred to as Bachelor of Science in Mathematics. This is a 3-year degree course that deals with the discipline of mathematics and the analysis of numbers, structure and space is the focus of the BSc Maths program. The subjects in the BSc Maths course are structured to emphasize mathematical skills in algebra, analysis, calculus, vector analysis, trigonometry, and data analysis. Duration of BSc Mathematics course is 3 years. Each year is divided into 2 semesters, totally 6 semesters, 90 working days. Eligibility for BSc Maths course is a student must pass in the higher secondary examination with mathematics as the main subject. This is the overlook of all subjects in the BSc Maths course semester wise. We have computer lab and language lab facility in our college. Computer lab is for computing skill classes and programming in C practical classes. Language lab will help to improve the communication skills. We are encourage the students to participate in the collegiate and intercollegiate events. In the Freshers' Day, all the first year students are encouraged to participate in various events which will help to bring out their hidden talents. We are very proud to inform you that we have number of university ranks in our department. And to cherish always is, we have Bhuvaneshwari who has secured university 4th rank in major subject and Sangeeta who has secured university 6th rank in major subject. Some of the employment opportunities available after finishing BSc Mathematics course are bank jobs, government jobs, jobs in IT sector, financial institutes, educational institute, insurance companies, advisory scientists, and research firms. If the students are interested in higher studies, they can pursue the following degrees: MSc Mathematics, MSc Statistics, MCA, MBA, and B.Ed. We are very glad to inform you about the Lima placement cell of our college. Our BSc Maths students can also placed in many companies. This is our college website for more details and for online application. Thank you.
Warm greetings to you all. I'm Anita, Head Department of Computer Science, St. Anne's Arts and Science College, Madhavaram. Now, let me explain you about BSc degree course and the opportunities that you have when you complete this course. Let's see the PowerPoint presentation to have an overview of this course. Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, or in simple word BSc in Computer Science, is a 3-year undergraduate degree course that deals with the principles and applications of the computer. The duration of this course is 3 years, each year 2 semesters, so totally 6 semesters. Admission eligibility. Students whoever pass the higher secondary examination, major subject of study should be computer science or mathematics or statistics or business maths. This is the overlook of all the subjects in BSc Computer Science semester wise. Internship. Every BSc Computer Science student is expected to undergo an internship training program for minimum 30 days during the second year of the course. Facilities in the department: computer lab facility, soft skills lab facility, ICT enabled classroom, facilities for slow learners, one-on-one teaching, teacher to student mentoring, remedial coaching classes. The program is designed in such a way that it makes students job ready for career in IT in software industry and also can pursue higher studies such as MSc, MCA, MBA. Placement drive that takes place in our college. Through the placement drive, Department of Computer Science students have been placed in various companies. Visit our college website for more details and to apply online. Thank you.
Hello everybody, a warm welcome to everyone. I am Dr. G. Arthi Priscilla, Head Department of Computer Applications. Now let us have an overview about the course. Welcome to the Department of Computer Applications. BCA. It is a 3-year degree course where we study about the theoretical and practical insight of the computer and its applications. It is a professional software course which is of high demand in this current techno scenario. The duration of the course is 3 years, which comprises of 6 semesters. Each academic year consists of 2 semesters, odd semester which starts from June to November and even semester which starts from December to April. The eligibility of the course is a pass in the higher secondary examination studied with mathematics or computer science or business mathematics or statistics as one of the major subjects. These are the various subjects taught in the 6 semesters of the course. A separate high configured lab with ample number of systems is available exclusive for BCA students. Language lab is a soft skill lab equipped with updated software which help the students to improve their communication skills. Counseling and guidance, parent-teachers meet, peer teaching for slow learners, certificate course are some of the best practices which strengthens the department. The aim of the internship is to understand the real techno world. Students are expected to go for an internship for a period of 4 weeks during the second year of the course. Here is the list of some few areas where students can choose their own area of interest for internship. After completion of BCA, students can do their higher education courses like MCA, MSc Computer Science, MSc Information Technology, MBA, MS, etc. There are various employment positions available with high package such as software engineer, application developer, network administrator, database administrator, etc. If interested, they can take their own business like developing one software or digital marketing. In our college, placement drive is conducted every year by Lima Placement Cell and many students got placement through it. For more details and information, visit our college website. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is Kavita Hanandi, Head Department of Commerce, St. Anne's Arts and Science College, Madhavaram. In this video, I am going to give orientation regarding BCom General course.
Introduction. A Bachelor of Commerce degree is a 3-year undergraduate degree is imparting full-time knowledge in the field of commerce, business and administration. The main motive is to give education regarding the commerce and finance subjects. It basically prepares you in the career in accounting, banking, information and management areas. The duration of the program is mainly 3 years, consists of 6 semesters. There is odd and even semester from the period of June to November, and the second semester is from December to April. Each semester we have to work minimum of 90 days. And the admission eligibility to get a BCom degree is you have to get pass in higher secondary examination with major subjects, accounting and commerce subjects. These are the various subjects we undergo during the course of time. So totally you have 6 semesters. So the evaluation pattern will be for under marks. For in under 25 marks will be awarded for 20 internal marks, and the end semester exam, that is like your 12th exam, you will write it for 75 marks. So the 25 marks will be awarded by the college. So the basically consists of test, attendance, seminar and assignments. The question paper pattern is for 75 marks, the university exam. Section A is for 2 mark question, section B consists of 5 mark question, and section C consists of 10 mark question. And the internship in BCom degree. In BCom degree, the student must undergo internship training program for minimum of 30 days during the second year course of time. So in the summer holidays, they have to go for the internship program. This main motive of this internship training is to give knowledge to the students when they join as an employee of a company. This level of skill we give an assurance to the students while giving any task to do it properly. So when they do it in a well-reputed company, it is good for the students. So this is our computer lab facility, and this is our soft skill lab facilities. This main motive of this lab is to increase the communication skill. This will be used while in the first years. And best practice adopted in departments are computer assisted learning, GD, project work, field trip, industrial visit, and educational. And this is our ICT classroom. And facilities for slow learners. To help the slow learners, we are adopting one-to-one teaching, teachers to student mentoring, student to student mentoring, and remedial teaching. The employment opportunities in our department. There are various facility employment opportunity. The placement drive in the year 2000. So this is a consolidated placement drive for the academic year 2020 to 21. From the various departments, the students have attended the interviews and got placed in these 8 companies. Thank you. This is our college website. If you wish to apply in our college, kindly go through the website and apply through online mode. If you have any doubts or clarification, you can contact our college directly. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Adela Samuel, Head Department of Accounting and Finance, St. Anne's Arts and Science College, Madhavaram. In today's video, we are going to see the orientation of the Department of Commerce, Accounting and Finance.
Duration of the program. The course duration is 3 years, that is 6 semesters, 90 days per semester. Admission eligibility. The candidate should have passed higher secondary examination with a commerce background. Subjects in BCom Accounting and Finance. Internships. Every BCom Accounting and Finance student is expected to undergo an internship training program for a minimum of 30 days during the second year of the course. Of the best practices in the department, ICT enabled classrooms. ICT assisted learning takes place through the computer lab facilities. The soft skills lab facility. Project work given to the students, which is being displayed. Group discussions, mime, street play, skit, role plays, etc. Industrial visits. For the slow learners, one-on-one teaching, teacher to student mentoring, student to student mentoring or peer teaching, remedial coaching classes. Some of the employment opportunities available after finishing BCom Accounting and Financing department is you have a gateway to a career in commerce, accounts, finance, banking and insurance. If you're completing BCom degree, the student can pursue a career in chartered accountancy, management, teaching, advertising, journalism, etc. The average starting salary of a BCom graduate is more than 3 lakhs per year. These are some of the placement drive pictures that have taken place in our college. Our department students have also been placed in many companies. Visit our college website for more details and to apply online. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to St. Anne's Arts Science College. This is Vanmati, Head Department of Corporate Secretaryship, here to give you orientation regarding BCom CS department.
The Bachelor of Commerce Corporate Secretaryship program prepares you for a career in company secretary, banking, financial management, information system and management. The duration of the program will be 3 years, that is 6 semesters, 2 semesters per year consisting of 90 days minimum per semester. The admission eligibility to join in BCom CS course is the candidate must have studied commerce in the class 11th and 12th with accountancy, and the candidate must meet the minimum cutoff criteria for admission to the college applied. These are the subjects to be studied in BCom CS degree. It is mandatory for all the students to undergo internship training program for minimum of 30 days during the period of second year of the course. Lab and language lab facilities are available to enrich the knowledge of students. The best practice in the Department of BCom CS is arranging competitions and conducting workshops, seminars, and guest lectures to encourage higher education. In our BCom CS department, we have ICT enabled classrooms. Are the facilities available for the slow learners? One-to-one teaching, teacher to students mentoring, peer learning, remedial. Placement drive will be conducted in the third year. Before conducting placement drive, placement training will be given to the students for attending their interview without any fear. Before conducting placement training, the students will be evaluated and then placement training will be given for them. In placement drive, many leading companies will take part and they will hunt for the right candidate. Visit our college website for more details and to apply online www.ssacollegechennai.com. Thank you.
Welcome to Department of Business Administration. I am Dr. R. Soundarya, Head Department of Business Administration. In this video, I am going to share the benefits of doing BBA, eligibility, admission process, scope of BBA, curriculum, job opportunities, and much more.
BBA. The Bachelor of Business Administration degree is considered by many as the degree of the future. It is a professional degree that is rising in popularity among students who want to make a career in management right after their higher secondary. This degree is also apt for students who want to pursue management studies after graduation. BBA is a full-time course for 3 years divided into 6 semesters. Each semester has a minimum of 90 working days. A pass in the plus 2 examination or equivalent examination from any recognized board or school is the eligibility for joining BBA degree. The BBA course subjects concentrates on business and management skills and interpersonal skills as well. The curriculum consists of core papers with specializations such as marketing, finance, and human resources management. Every BBA student is expected to undergo the summer internship training program for minimum of 30 days during the first and second year of the course. The aim of this internship to allow the students to get the knowledge of the real-time working experience. After the completion of BBA, students can pursue MBA, PGDM, LLB, Chartered Accountant, PGD in banking, and there are plenty of job opportunities for BBA graduates in both government and private sector. They can seek jobs in corporate firms as well as industrial organizations. Since BBA is a general course, they can apply for business profiles in different fields such as marketing, finance, sales, HR, etc. Our college has a well-stocked library, fully equipped computer labs, ICT-enabled classrooms, and language lab. Placements and training are handled by placement cell of our college. Our college provides all possible support to the students to succeed in their career. Our students have also placed in many reputed companies. For more details and online application, visit our college website. Thank you.